Hi everyone, my name is Kate. Welcome back to my wondernetting channel, and today I've got something pretty cool to show you. You know how we're always looking for some ways to speed up our projects? Well, I got my hands on the Caydo ICORD knitting machine today. I've been wanting this thing for a long time for my crafting machine collections. I thought it would be fun to do a little unboxing, to check out how it works, and of course to see if it's actually worth it. So let's see together. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Here I have a lot of interesting tutorials and reviews for interesting crafting devices. Alright, let's open this thing up. This feeling of opening new devices, I hope this little machine makes life easier for us crafters. Let's open. Okay, what we got here, instruction manual, which I'll skim over because we'll figure it out as we go, but it is very clear because it has a very nice and detailed pictures to describe how to assemble the knitting machine. And also here you have a QR code to the tutorial how to assemble the knitting machine. Also a very interesting hook, metallic hook, that has a hole like a usual needle, some usual USB cable. What is this? Something interesting. These are the weights, and I think we're gonna need them to keep our cord under the tension. Also we have here the clamp, like this, to tighten the I-cord machine for stability. Also a little skein of yarn, and actually it's very important what kind of yarn you're gonna use with this I-cord machine, because not every yarn is suitable for this machine. It's very nice to see what type of yarn we need to use for this machine. And of course the machine itself. Oh, so cute! So cute and little and very lightweight, I think it's all what we have here. Now let's figure out how it works. The box of the knitting machine is small and compact, and the design is really nice. I think this would make a perfect birthday or Christmas gift. I'm sure any crafter would be happy to receive something like this as a gift. You can find the link in the description below my video, along with a discount code for 30% off. I think it's already time to start thinking about Christmas gifts. So if you haven't used one of these before, it's designed to help you make I-cords fast without any repetitive handwork. I know you've probably spent ages to make them by hand like me, so if this works, it's gonna be so helpful. Okay, let's figure it out how we need to. First we need to screw the holder for the machine and attach it to the table. I will try to make the cord right away from the yarn that was in the box. By the way, the instructions specify which types of yarn can be used. Too thick yarn won't work here. We need to thread the yarn through the hook and directly into the center of the machine, and making sure all the hooks are open. So we need to, at first we need to place the yarn on the first hook, then miss out the second hook, a little switch, okay, switch, no, to other sides, okay, place the yarn on the third hook, and miss out the fourth hook. Okay, please give me 1 second, okay? I will figure it out. And after completing a full round, attach the two weights to the end of the yarn and keep the yarn under tension. Let's do this. I will show you everything step by step more closely. Okay, what's next? Keep the yarn under the tension. I did that. Do I need to close these hooks or not? We need to lose the yarn, so I hope everything I made right. And I need to press this button and it should work. 1, 2, 3. Why everything is so... Ah. Oh my god. It's working. Okay. I see it. I see the cords. Oh my gosh. I see the cords. Okay, stop. Oh my gosh, guys. I'll show you. I mean, I don't need even think about it. It makes perfect I-cord in seconds. This would have taken forever by hand. The only thing you need to adjust the waves. Actually, it's so satisfying to watch. I wasn't sure what to expect, but it's surprisingly easy. Look how smooth it is. It's so perfect. Oh, wow. The machine handles the tension really well. So satisfying to watch. Let me show you more closely. And how to end the knitting? We just need to cut the yarn and wait until it finished knitting. Let's see. Okay. Ooh. Perfect I-cord I've ever seen. And here we need to finish our I-cord with hook. 3, all 3 together and like this. Could you imagine how much time I would have spent making this one? I would have spent all day. This machine just made it in a few minutes. So you might be wondering, what can I use the I-cord machine for? Well, there are tons of ideas. You can make straps for your bag, for your clothes. You can make cute headbands with it. Imagine if you made a few of these I-cords, how cute headbands could be. You could also get creative and make with it a cute bracelets or little necklaces. I feel like this thing is one of that you can add for any project for that extra handmade touch. I will show you some ideas what I want to use it for. Mainly I plan to use it for making home decor. Right now I want to decorate my walls with something knitted or crocheted. You can make a lot of cords. I recommend using multicolored yarn and the cords look simply amazing that way. For example, you can make flowers like this, which is the first idea that came to mind. These flowers can be hung on the wall or used as a coasters. You'll find many different ideas on Pinterest. I also want to try using yarn with glitter to make a necklace. If you are into jewelry making, you can attach clasps and beads to create a full piece of jewelry. I also like the idea of making various blobs with the cords. You just need to sew the cords together in random order and let your imagination run wild. These can be hung on walls or used as coasters, and you can make larger ones to create mini rugs. Now let's talk about the details real quick. This knitting machine is really lightweight and I love that it's electric. It's made of durable plastic and it feels like it's high quality. With it you need to use only thinner yarns because anything too chunky might jump it up. So what do you think overall about this cutie little machine? Honestly, I love it. It's so simple to use and it will save so much time for you if you need to make a bunch of I-cords for your projects. It's not an absolute necessity, but if you like me and you love to add those finishing details in your projects, it's a great tool to have in your collection. Alright, that's all for today's unboxing and review, and if you've been thinking about getting Caydo ICORD knitting machine, the link you will find in the description below the video. Also, don't forget to use my code WONDER to get 30% off to this cutie. I hope this video helped you to decide. So if you have any questions or maybe you used the iCord machine, let me know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Here I have a lot of interesting tutorials and reviews for interesting crafting devices. So thank you for watching this video and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, kiddos!